Partnership deed, there's partners and there's a firm. So when the partners are starting the firm, they invest capital. So capital goes from partners to firm. So let's say I invest 500 as the capital, I get like 20 rupees as the interest. This will not stay in the firm, rather it will be given back to the partners by the firm. So interest on capital goes back to the partners, whereas the capital goes from partners to the firm. Now, drawings is very simple and straightforward. Drawings is basically if I'm a partner, I'm taking money from the firm for my own use, not for anything else, but for my own use, personal use, and I have to pay it back eventually. And also, the interest on drawings will also be paid to the firm. The drawings go from firm to partners, whereas it'll eventually be paid back, and also interest on drawings goes from partners uh, to the firm. And commission, salary, bonus, things like that will be paid to the partners by the firm, and also profit will be distributed to the partners in the profit sharing ratio. And if no profit sharing ratio is given, it will be distributed equally. That's how you should calculate it in the paper. I am unaware if that's exactly how it works in real life. Okay, so one thing to note is this is only in the case of partnership deed. Imagine partnership deed is not there. Okay, if partnership deed is not there, then there are 5 different conditions. First of all, interest on drawings will not be charged. Interest on drawings will not be charged. Interest on capital will not be given. And things like commission, salary, bonus, that is also not given. And profits will always be distributed equally. And I just want to say it's not partnership. Okay, so profits will be distributed equally. And one last thing, the fifth point is interest on loan will be charged at 6% per annum. Excuse my handwriting; it's not really better on paper either. So, yeah. Yeah. So in the case where partnership deed is not there, it's absent. The interest on drawings will not be charged. Interest on capital will not be given. Commission, salary, bonus will not be given, and profits will be distributed equally. And interest on loan will be charged at 6% per annum. Whereas if partnership deed was there, well, the capital goes from the firm to from the partners to the firm, whereas the interest on capital goes from the firm to the partners, and the drawings goes from the firm to the partners, and the interest on drawings, the drawings will also be paid back eventually, and also the interest on drawings will be paid by the partners to the firm, and commission, salary, bonus, profits, all these things will be paid by the firm to the partners. And this is in the case of partnership deed. If not, then just to sum it up, interest on drawings will not be charged, interest on capital will not be given, commission, salary, bonus will not be given, and profits will be distributed equally. And last but not least, interest on loan will be charged at 6% per annum. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.